YouTube, what's good? This your boy, Mr. Bighorn, and yeah, that's right, guys. I finally decided to go ahead and get this tint done on this truck. Get it, just a little bit darker, so it can match the truck a little bit better, and plus, kind of see through that thing at night, and I don't want that. So, anyway, man, if y'all don't know, y'all about to find out about who to come to in Greenville, Mississippi. So, let me take y'all to the sign real quick. A little chilly out here this morning. So, yep, Delta Tint Shop, window tinting. Y'all see the website, y'all see the phone number. If y'all in Greenville and you want some good quality work done at a very reasonable price, hit my guy up. Again, you see the number, you see the website. Let's get it. But yeah, so right now I just pulled the truck in not too long ago, so he getting everything prepped and he about to do his work. Y'all let me know in the comments if I should get my headlights tinted. I had the headlight covers, but I didn't really like those. Y'all know they were too dark. So I kept the covers. I also had some tail light covers. I did a giveaway on those. Didn't really like those either. So I don't know. I've been thinking about it, but y'all let me know in the comments. Should we do like a slight tint on the headlights and the tail lights? Y'all chime in. Let me know what you think.
It gets real serious when you put the belt on.
Oh yeah, y'all heard him, folks. He about to go to work. Nope, no games being played when that belt get put on.
It's ceramic on here as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Full ceramic on the windshield. What's the benefits of the for those of my people who don't know, like what's the benefits of ceramic?
Yeah, ceramic, what it actually does is a nano type film, and it blocks more of the heat, rejects more of the heat than a traditional film would do. And you can actually go with the lighter shade that would do more than a darker shade on a traditional film.
Okay. And that's right, y'all. He dropping the knowledge too. He don't mind sharing the knowledge to educate people on what they getting, before they come do business with him. Don't play with me, y'all. Just heard me. Before y'all come do business with him. So, you got good quality stuff going on. So, yep, I'm gonna let him get to his thing. Y'all see him in the background getting started. So, y'all stay tuned for the finished product. I might throw a little B-roll in there so y'all can kind of see like some of the process. I got somebody on the way to pick me up, so I'm gonna film for as long as I can. YouTube, what's good? So we just pulled back up and we got the Bighorn, we got it paid for, got the tint and everything is done. We're gonna do a quick walk around. As y'all can see in the background, it's definitely darker than what it was. I'm loving it, exactly what I wanted. So let's take a look at it. So my guy just did a fantastic job. I love the way it looks. And that was my goal, to kind of like looking at it directly like that, like you can't really see like on the inside. So I'm really feeling that. back, of course. So, and again, I wasn't trying to do no 5% or nothing like that, so you can still kind of see through it. But it's darker, though. It's definitely darker than what it was. So, got that windshield in as well, 70% on the windshield ceramic. Man, I'm loving it. That's good. So my guy did a good job. Did a good job. I'm happy with it. It's looking nice and dark over here. To me, that just make the truck pop even more. Yes, sir. So once again, y'all come check my guy out, Delta Tint Shop, www.deltatintshop.com. Phone number 662-616-5760. He'll get you in and get you done right. All right, y'all. Well, this is Rick with the Bighorn signing out. Finna go get this thing cleaned up because it's dirty. Go get it cleaned up, detailed up, and then on to the next video. So I'll see y'all soon. Peace.